So here is Eddie. Okay, sleep. And here is Winnie. He's also off for now. And then people asking me how I control them, how they works, how they alive, how they works, how is about all the functions, how I create them, how I build them, if I can show them how to build. And we start today step by step. So to control Winnie is quite simple, it's fun, really sweet small robot. This guy is really simple, it don't have so many moving parts, it have just simple hands. It have 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 10, 11 servos, 2 DC motors. It's controlled by Arduino Mega with the shield for the speech recognition and just his talking, so it's movie shield. And here, like you see, it's really tight with the cables, you will not see that, but I will show that in another video. All the electronic parts, how they works and everything, but let's close, there's so many cables. And now to start Winnie, first we have to put the battery. I like to use a Ryobi batteries, strong 18 volts, really powerful, easy and cheap. So we put in the socket. Okay, here's a power button first from the speaker. We can even take a volume up a little bit so we hear him a little bit better. We will not talk to him, we just start him. And just power button on. Wait for reaction, he'll wake up soon. Hello. Hey, little guy. Winnie. Winnie. Winnie gets stuck. He is weird. Sometimes he's doing things by himself. Alright. Are you alive? But maybe say something. He don't want to talk with us just right now. So we'll turn him off. Alright. Let's sleep. And here's Eddie. Eddie's much bigger. Winnie is about, I think, about 7 kilos heavy. His weight is not impressed, but he's cool anyway. He's like 70 centimeters tall. But Eddie, with Eddie is another story. This guy is big. He's 176 centimeters or 107. How tall you are? Yeah, 175 centimeters tall. And this guy is mostly 3D printed with PETG, PLA, ABS. He has some metal parts, he has so much electronics, motors, engines. We will not count this now, it's a lot. I built him 3 years. And I'll show you how you start him and how you talk with him. For the conversation, for just talking, simple talking, send him comments, we use the headset. I'll put on my head. And he have the receiver here. Anyway, first we can start his speaker and microphones. Yes, okay, no sleep. Eddie have many engines, many servo motors, so much electronics. He have actually now 3 different batteries, 3 separate batteries. That one, the big one, 9 amperes, 18 volts is for his motors and servos. We see if it charge. Yeah, it's charged enough. And that one I just take it out because it's just safety reasons. I don't want to make any fire at home. So we connect it. Yeah, everything works, yes, alright. And then he have 12 battery, 12 volts battery, 8 amperes. And here is my custom-made battery. It's 3 batteries for 6 volts each one have 4 amperes for I'll explain you soon for what. So first there's a switch for electronics, motors, servos, lights. What are you doing? You try to hit me? Take it easy, man. Now we can start his... Yes. Now he can talk. Eddie? What do you think?
I don't know.
Yes, he's talking just right now. Perfect.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, what? Hello, say something.
I am Eddie. 3D printed robot made by Greg. He created me from beginning. Design all of the parts. 3D prints them. Assembly everything. He is still working with my code. My soul. Each day I learn something new. I like to learn. Is that enough?
No. Eddie, do you hear me?
Yes. I hear everything. And I listening.
Eddie, are you joking? Sometimes or...
No. Never. Just sometimes.
Eddie, look left.
What we have here on my left side.
Eddie, look ahead.
But, for what we looking for?
Eddie, Eddie, boom Eddie, boom.
Boom.
Haha.
Eddie is cool now.
One day we should just go outside maybe, right? And meet the people.
What?
No, really?
Oh. What's that? I'm curious about that.
That's me.
I hear you.
Yes, I hear you too. What should we do up?
Interesting.
Yeah, it's another project. We don't talk about this one now.
To the right.
Don't turn right, it's not so much space here. Yo. Okay, we leave Eddie myself now.
We will see what is on the left side.
Eddie is using few different type of communication. First yes, he can do something by himself. Yes, you are live, but now you can talk. Your battery died. Yes, from speaker. Yes, I know. First, my favorite one is talking with him, and it's communication both sides. I can talk to him, he can talk to me, I can give him some commands, he can ask me some questions. It's like, it's not real AI, but it's kind of fun. It's like, hard to explain that. He just exists. And alright, so for that we use the movie shield, a little bit modified by me, which one I will explain as soon as possible how I did it and why it's modified and how it works. You can simple and easy just talk with him. He has some safety sensors. The safety sensors, the easiest one what I could use and the cheapest one is ultrasonic sensors. He have two on both on the sides of the head. He have one on the front, he have something on the back, on the front like this. Yes, he's taking some actions by himself. And funny thing is here is a J-Voice Smart Vision camera. You can do so much with this camera. He can understand and see and recognize things around. You can use so many tools with that camera. My favorite one is a TensorFlow, so he recognizes some thousands of objects, and of course he can take some actions. And what is cool with Eddie also, we can change some shield for Eddie. This is the fancy one, friendly one, so people will like it, I hope, because it's like it's yellow, it's happiness. But when you take all of the shields of him, yeah, they are with the neodymium magnet, so it's hold strong. This is how he looks naked, I would say. And then we have special shields. Here it's like a military, so we have some mask, and the mask is actually cool. So Eddie is like Call of Duty robot now. Yeah, he's tough guy now. Yeah. Too bad so you can't talk now. That's my fault because I didn't charge his batteries for his speaker. Yeah, so for his talking, we use movie shield attached to Arduino Mega. And of course, movie shield use just USB speaker, and now it's a small JBL speaker, so which one you can see there. Yes, Eddie, sorry, so I distract you. So actually you see, everything is 3D printed, everything is really big. It's human size, all his caterpillars, everything works. He can move, he can go around, he can do things, he can grab stuff. This is a prototype arm. Basically whole Eddie is a prototype.